You need to hear this if you're a super smart kid. Get ready for an amazing adventure through the alphabet. Each letter has a special surprise waiting just for you. Learning the alphabet has never been this much fun. Let's dive in. A is for apple, a delicious fruit that keeps the doctor away. B is for ball, perfect for playing catch with friends. C is for cat, a furry friend who loves to purr. D is for dog, man's best friend who loves to play fetch. E is for elephant, the gentle giant with a long trunk. F is for fish, swimming gracefully in the water. G is for goat, who loves to climb and eat grass. H is for hat, a fun accessory to wear on your head. I is for ice cream, a sweet treat for hot days. J is for jelly, wobbly and delicious on toast. K is for kite, flying high in the sky on a windy day. L is for lion, the king of the jungle with a mighty roar. M is for monkey, swinging from tree to tree. N is for nest, a cozy home for birds. O is for octopus with 8 arms to give you a hug. P is for pizza, everyone's favorite cheesy delight. Q is for queen, ruling her kingdom with grace. R is for rainbow, a beautiful arc of colors in the sky. S is for sun, shining bright and giving us warmth. T is for tiger, with stripes and a powerful stride. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry in the rain. V is for violin, playing sweet melodies. W is for whale, the gentle giant of the ocean. X is for xylophone, making music with colorful bars. Y is for yo-yo, a fun toy that goes up and down. Z is for zebra with black and white stripes. Bye friends, and see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Keep learning and exploring.